If you have a video card, then you can go ahead and enable out the use of video card in preferences as well. So if you want to turn it off, then you can turn it off as well. To do that, you can go around over here onto tools, then go to preferences right here. And then under video, you can see that hardware support is here. So you need to go ahead onto video for that. So here you can see that you can go ahead and see Intel QuickSync, AMD VCN, which is not there because I don't have those graphic cards. But you can see that I have NVIDIA NVE and C, which is supported. So you can simply go ahead and then check this off right here. And then what happens is that you will be able to go ahead and use NVENC right here. That is NVIDIA encoder while encoding out the videos. You can go ahead, and if you want the use of CPU itself, then you can simply go ahead and turn it off. And this is simply what you have. If you don't have it available, then you won't be able to see it there. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with the video preferences as needed inside of Handbrake. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.